You only have a few months to position yourself for the biggest real estate opportunity in 15 years. And if you miss this window, you'll regret it forever. Now, 2026, it's going to separate the prepared from the unprepared. In this video, I'm going to break down the 7 strategies that will put you on the winning side. I've been building portfolios for over a decade. And after buying over 500 properties, I can tell you that the investors who adapt to what's coming have the opportunity to possibly make millions of dollars. And the ones who don't, they will get left behind. So let's dive in. Strategy number 1, master creative financing. In 2026, traditional financing is going to get more difficult. Interest rates will go down, but lending requirements may tighten down, and down payment demands are all working against investors. So here's the opportunity that is happening right now. Sellers are becoming more motivated. Properties are sitting on the market longer, meaning motivated sellers are more open to creative solutions than they've been for many years. This is where my Bofslow method shines. While other investors are fighting over bank loans, you're creating your own financing with sellers who need solutions. And they need them fast. The market is perfect for creative financing right now. Strategy number 2, focus on cash flow, not just appreciation. Everyone got spoiled by the crazy appreciation from 2020 to 2022, but those days may be over. In 2026, the money is in making sure you can rent the property for more than your payment is. Buy properties that pay you every single month and not properties that you are just banking on going up in value. My rule is simple. Every property must cash flow at least $200 to $300 a month after all expenses paid. If it doesn't cash flow, I don't want to buy it. Cash flow is predictable. Appreciation is a hope. In 2026, you're going to have to be predictable. Strategy number 3, diversify your property types. Don't just buy single-family houses. The smart money is spreading across many different property types. I'm buying single-family houses for steady cash flow, also dabbling in multifamily and developments and other things for higher returns. Each property type performs differently in different markets. When single family slows down, commercial might be booming or vice versa. Diversification protects you. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, even if that basket's been really good to you. Strategy number 4, use debt as a tool, not a crutch. Leverage is powerful. Leverage of money, leverage of time, and leverage of systems. But it can also destroy you if you're not careful. My rule for many years and going into 2026 is don't leverage a property more than 75% of value. And again, more importantly, make sure it cash flows. And always keep several months of payments in reserves. I see too many investors who are over leveraged and one vacancy away from disaster. Don't be that investor. Good debt makes you money. Bad debt costs you sleep. Know the difference. Strategy number 5, think like a business, not a collector. This is the opposite of what many gurus will teach you. They tell you to buy and hold forever, but that's completely wrong in my opinion. Smart investors buy, improve, hold, sometimes sell, and every property in your portfolio should have a purpose and an exit strategy to multiply up. I review my portfolio every few months, and properties that have a ton of equity with maybe less cash flow, I sell those and move that money into other opportunities. Your portfolio should work for you, not the other way around. Strategy number 6, master the tax game. This is a big one. Real estate offers one of the best tax advantages out of all investments, but most investors don't take full opportunity of it. There's depreciation, there's cost segregation, there's 1031 exchanges, and there's opportunity zones, all that can save you thousands or even tens of thousands in taxes every year. So make sure you work with a tax strategist who specializes in real estate. Every year, our CPAs save us tens of thousands of dollars through proper planning. Don't just make money. Keep the money you make. The last strategy is build systems for scale. You can't manage 50 properties or 100 properties in the same way you would manage 3 or 5 properties. Just like I have systems for finding deals, I have systems for analyzing those deals and systems for managing the tenants and tracking the finances. Build the business where everything can mainly run without you. That way you don't have to be involved in every single day-to-day decision. Property management software, virtual assistants, automating the processes, all lets me focus while growing the portfolio instead of chasing money and managing day-to-day operation. If you want to scale, you need systems. If you want to stay small, then keep doing everything yourself. So here's the 2026 opportunity. And here's why, in my opinion, the next 3 months are massively critical. We're at a perfect storm for real estate investors who know what they're doing. Motivated sellers, creative financing opportunities, and a market that rewards cash flow over speculation. This combination hasn't existed since 2010, but you have to start positioning yourself now. By the time everyone else figures this out, the best opportunities will probably already have disappeared. So here's your action plan. For the next 3 months, pick 2 of these strategies and master them. Don't try to do all 7 at once. If you're new to real estate, start with creative financing and cash flow focus. If you have experience, add diversification and tax strategies. The key is taking action before 2026 hits. You still have time to position yourself. 2026 is going to separate the serious investors from the wannabes, and the market's going to reward the people who prepare now and punish the people, unfortunately, who decide to wait. These 7 strategies have helped me build a multi-million-dollar portfolio. They're not theories. They're not something I read in a book. They're my proven methods that work in any market. So the question isn't whether these strategies work, it's whether you'll start using them in the next 90 days. If you're serious about positioning yourself for 2026, I want to help you for free. I'm hosting my next free training next week, where I'm going to dive deeper into each of these strategies, and I'll show you exactly how to implement creative financing, find cash flowing properties, and build systems that you need to scale. So just click the link in the description to save your spot. It's completely free, but the spots are limited. Let me know in the comments which of these 7 strategies are you going to start with in the next 3 months. Remember, 2026 is going to be an incredible year for prepared investors, so make sure you're one of them.